Good day everyone, I am Pix Geek. Today I will teach you how to remove background in Photoshop in just a few easy steps. Remember that you should be using Adobe Photoshop 2020, 2021 or 2022. This new feature on this version really makes the job so easy. To have a great result, you must be using a really crisp image with very high pixels. In this photo, I am using 8000 pixels by 5300 pixels. If you would try to look on every edge of this image, it is very crisp, and with this, we would get a better and greater result. Let's start. First is click this one tool or press W for the shortcut key. Second step, on the toolbar, click the Select and Mask and don't adjust the default settings you will see, unless it's needed. Then on the toolbar again, click the Select Subject and you will see the result immediately. You will see how good is this feature on crispy image with high pixels. So high quality images is recommended. Now hit OK. Boom! It's done. Now to put some colorful background, on Layer tab, you will see the Mask Layer option beside the folder icon. Click it and you will see this gradient and click again. On the option of gradient fill, I will try to use this pastel color to give a very girly color. Maybe I will choose this one and hit OK. Make sure the gradient fill layer is under the subject's layer. Then boom! You remove the background and change the background in just few easy steps.